Ever feel like you're constantly battling life, trying to force things to go your way? What if I told you there's a more effortless path to success? Today, we're diving deep into the stoic art of letting go, trusting the universe's timing, and unlocking true abundance. Get ready to ditch the struggle and step into the flow. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and type "keep it up" in the comments below. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Understanding the universe's guidance, tapping into the cosmic flow. The universe, my friends, is not some distant, cold entity. It's a vibrant, dynamic force that's constantly interacting with us, guiding us, and nudging us towards our true path. The Stoics called this the logos, the underlying reason and order of the universe. It's like a cosmic GPS, always recalculating and leading you towards your destination. Now, you might be thinking, how do I tap into this cosmic guidance? How do I hear the whispers of the universe amidst the noise of everyday life? Well, the first step is simple: believe. Believe that the universe is wise, that it has your back, and that it's constantly sending you signals. It's like having a personal cheerleader in the cosmos, rooting for your success. Pay attention to synchronicities. Ever had one of those days where everything just seems to fall into place? You run into an old friend who offers you a job lead, or you stumble upon a book that perfectly answers a question you've been pondering. These aren't just coincidences, my friends. These are synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that are the universe's way of saying, hey, you're on the right track. Trust your gut. That little voice inside you, that intuition, that's the universe speaking directly to you. It's your inner compass, guiding you towards your true north. When you feel that pull, that nudge, don't ignore it. Follow it. It's the universe leading you to where you're meant to be. Let's bring this into the 21st century. Imagine you're scrolling through social media, and you see a post about a workshop that perfectly aligns with your interests. Or maybe you're feeling stuck in your career, and then, out of the blue, you receive an email about a new opportunity. These are the universe's whispers. Its way of guiding you towards your goals. But here's the kicker. Understanding the universe's guidance isn't about control. It's about surrender. It's about letting go of the need to micromanage every aspect of your life and trusting that the universe has a bigger plan for you. It's like being in a canoe on a river. You can paddle furiously, trying to control every twist and turn, or you can relax, trust the current, and enjoy the ride. So, how do you surrender? Embrace uncertainty. The universe loves to surprise us. Let go of the need to know all the answers and be open to the unexpected. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings, and notice the subtle signs the universe is sending you. Take action. The universe can only guide you if you're willing to move. So follow those nudges. Take that leap of faith, and watch as the universe unfolds its magic. Remember, my friends, you're not alone on this journey. The universe is your ally, your guide, your biggest supporter. So open your heart, trust the process, and let the universe lead you towards unimaginable success. Lesson 2. Embracing stillness in daily life, finding your oasis in the chaos. In our fast-paced, hyper-connected world, stillness can feel like a rare commodity. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, deadlines, and to-do lists. It's like we're on a never-ending treadmill, always rushing, always striving, always doing. But amidst all this chaos, there's a hidden power in stillness. It's in those quiet moments that we can truly connect with ourselves, with the universe, and with our true purpose. The ancient Stoics understood this well. They believed that true wisdom and happiness come from living in accordance with nature, and that includes embracing the natural rhythms of the universe. It's about finding a balance between action and stillness, between doing and being. Now, you might be thinking, how can I possibly find stillness in my crazy, hectic life? Trust me, it's easier than you might think. It's not about escaping to a remote mountaintop or meditating for hours on end. It's about finding small pockets of peace throughout your day, even in the midst of the busiest schedule. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Morning ritual. Start your day with a few minutes of quiet contemplation. Before you check your phone or dive into your to-do list, take a few deep breaths, set an intention for the day, and simply be present. Mindful moments throughout your day. Take short breaks to check in with yourself. Notice your breath, your body sensations, and your thoughts. This will help you stay grounded and centered, even when things get hectic. Digital detox. Set aside some time each day to disconnect from technology. Turn off your phone, close your laptop, and step away from the screens. Use this time to read, journal, or simply enjoy the silence. Nature walks. Spending time in nature is a wonderful way to find stillness. Take a walk in the park, sit by a lake, or simply observe the trees and flowers. Nature has a way of calming the mind and soothing the soul. Let's bring this into your everyday life. Imagine you're stuck in traffic. Instead of getting frustrated, take a few deep breaths and focus on the present moment. Or maybe you're waiting in a long line at the grocery store. Use that time to practice mindfulness, observing your surroundings and the people around you without judgment. Remember, stillness is not about being unproductive. It's about creating space for clarity, creativity, and intuition. It's in those quiet moments that the universe can whisper its guidance, and you can tap into your own inner wisdom. So embrace stillness, my friends. Find your oasis in the chaos, make it a priority in your life, and watch as it transforms your relationship with yourself, with the universe, and with success itself. Remember, the universe is not in a hurry. It operates on its own divine timing. So slow down, breathe, and trust the process. When you're in alignment with the universe, success will flow to you effortlessly. If you liked this video or found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and keep it up in the comments below. Lesson 3. Cultivating receptivity to success, unlocking the door to abundance. The universe is abundant, my friends. It's overflowing with opportunities, possibilities, and blessings. But here's the thing, you have to be receptive to receive them. It's like having a beautiful gift waiting for you, but you need to open your arms and say, "Yes, I'm ready." The Stoics talked about this in terms of amor fati or love of fate. It's about accepting everything that happens to you, good or bad, as part of the grand design of the universe. When you cultivate this mindset, you become more open to the gifts the universe has in store for you. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I don't feel receptive? What if I have doubts and fears? That's perfectly normal. We all have those moments of self-doubt and insecurity. But the key is to recognize those limiting beliefs and challenge them. Let's break it down. Identify your limiting beliefs. What are those negative thoughts that pop up when you think about success? Do you feel like you're not good enough, not smart enough, or not worthy? Write them down. Get them out in the open. Challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, is this really true? Is there any evidence to support this belief? Often, you'll find that these beliefs are based on fear and past experiences, not on reality. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering truths. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try saying, "I am capable and I am learning." Instead of saying, "I always fail," try saying, "I am resilient and I learn from my mistakes." Let's make this practical. Imagine you're dreaming of starting your own business, but you're afraid of failing. That fear is a limiting belief. Challenge it by reminding yourself of all the times you've overcome challenges in the past. Replace it with the empowering truth that you are capable and resourceful, and that you have the courage to pursue your dreams. Gratitude is key. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you're sending a message to the universe that you're open to receiving more. It's like saying, "Thank you for this, and I'm ready for more abundance." Stay present. Don't get caught up in regrets about the past or anxieties about the future. Focus on the present moment and trust that the universe is unfolding perfectly, even if you can't see the whole picture yet. Remember, receptivity is a muscle. The more you practice it, the stronger it gets. So start today. Open your heart, open your mind, and let the universe shower you with its blessings. Because you deserve it. You are worthy of success, happiness, and abundance. The universe is waiting to support you, so let it. Lesson 4. Setting intentions with clarity, the compass for your cosmic journey. Setting intentions is like plotting a course on a map. It's about deciding where you want to go and how you plan to get there. But it's more than just wishful thinking. It's about aligning your energy with your goals and taking inspired action. The Stoics believed in the power of intentionality. They knew that clarity of purpose leads to focused action, and focused action leads to success. When you set clear intentions, you send a powerful message to the universe about what you want to create in your life. So how do you set intentions with clarity? It's simple, really. You need to get clear on what you want, why you want it, and how you're going to achieve it. Let me break it down for you. Get clear on what you want. Take some time to reflect on your desires. What do you really want to achieve? What would bring you joy, fulfillment, and meaning? Write down your goals in detail. Understand why you want it. Your why is the driving force behind your intentions. It's what keeps you motivated when things get tough. So dig deep and ask yourself, why do I want this? What will it bring to my life? Create a plan. Once you're clear on what you want and why you want it, it's time to create a plan. Break down your goal into smaller, actionable steps. What can you do today to move closer to your goal? What can you do this week, this month, this year? Visualization is a powerful tool. Imagine yourself achieving your goal. See it, feel it, believe it. The more vividly you can picture your success, the more real it becomes. Let's bring this into your life. Imagine you're setting the intention to improve your health. Your what might be to exercise regularly, eat nutritious foods, and get enough sleep. Your why might be to have more energy, feel confident in your body, and live a long, healthy life. Your plan might include joining a gym, meal prepping on Sundays, and setting a bedtime routine. Take inspired action. The universe responds to movement, so don't just set your intentions and forget about them. Take consistent, inspired action towards your goals, and watch as the universe aligns to support you. Remember, intentions are like seeds. Plant them with care, nurture them with love, and trust that they will grow in their own time. The universe is your partner in this journey, so work with it, not against it. In conclusion, setting intentions with clarity is the key to manifesting your desires. It's about being clear on what you want, why you want it, and how you're going to achieve it. It's about taking inspired action and trusting the universe to support you every step of the way. Lesson 5. Letting go of attachment, the art of non-resistance. One of the biggest obstacles to manifesting success is attachment. When we cling too tightly to a specific outcome, we create resistance, which can block the flow of abundance into our lives. The Stoics taught the importance of apatheia, a state of being free from destructive emotions, especially those that arise from attachment. But what does it mean to let go of attachment? It's not about giving up on your dreams or settling for less. It's about releasing the need for control and trusting that the universe knows what's best for you. It's about being open to all possibilities, even those you haven't considered. Here's how you can practice letting go of attachment. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. Enjoy the process of working towards your goals. Celebrate the small wins along the way and appreciate the growth and learning that comes with the journey. Detach from specific outcomes. Instead of obsessing over a particular result, be open to the idea that the universe might have something even better in store for you. Trust that whatever happens is for your highest good. Practice non-resistance. When things don't go according to plan, don't fight it. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow from this experience? Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Let's apply this to a real-life situation. Imagine you're applying for your dream job, but you don't get it. Instead of being devastated, you could choose to see it as a sign that the universe has something even better waiting for you. Maybe it's a different job, a new career path, or an opportunity to start your own business. By letting go of attachment, you allow yourself to be open to all the possibilities the universe has to offer. Remember, the universe is always working in your favor, even when things don't go as planned. By letting go of attachment, you create space for new opportunities, experiences, and blessings to flow into your life. Conclusion: trusting the process, your path to effortless success. We've covered a lot today, my friends, but it all boils down to this: trust the process. Success doesn't have to be a struggle. When you align yourself with the universe, embrace stillness, set clear intentions, cultivate receptivity, and let go of attachment, you open the door to effortless success. The Stoics understood that true power comes from within. It's not about controlling the external world, but about mastering your inner world. When you learn to flow with the universe, rather than against it, you'll find that success comes naturally, and with far less effort than you ever imagined. So, take a deep breath, relax, and trust that the universe has your back. You are on the right path. Keep moving forward with faith, and know that everything you desire is already on its way to you. If this video resonated with you, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with those who might benefit, and leave a comment below with "Keep it up" to let us know you're on this journey with us. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay in the flow and let the universe guide you to your highest potential.